My name is Maria and I work in the accounting department at Summit Racing Equipment, and this is my 2015 Jeep Wrangler Sport. I've owned it almost 7 years. I bought it brand new in 2015. I actually got it when I was working in the warehouse. I was working second shift and my husband surprised me with it. I had picked out the color at the IX Center and told him this is what I wanted. He brought a few down and I was like, yeah, I don't like the color. I really want this blue. And eventually he found one and surprised me with it while I was at work. I actually got into Jeeps when I was little. Like every little girl has Barbie Jeep. And this specific color, there's a Jeep Power Wheel that I've always liked ever since I was little that's pink and blue, and this blue is very similar to that color. I wanted a Sport because I wanted to be able to customize it without having to pay for options. Like, I don't like all the plastic that's on them, so I replaced the front bumper, I've replaced the fenders, the inner fenders, I've replaced the side rails, along with putting a lot of my own customized parts on it. I would say the most unique things is trying to figure out how to customize different things. The grill inserts that are pink are actually plastic gutter guard, and we watched a YouTube video on how to customize them because I didn't like the prefab things. So I customized the lights. It's actually a rubberized kind of film that it shines through. Like if you're looking at it from like the driver's seat at night, it's got a tiny pink tint. But if you're another car or on the trail or something looking at it, it just shows through white. So I was so happy to find the pink, especially a pink that kind of matches everything else. My favorite activity to do with my Jeep is everything. Everything from taking it off-road to parades, to car shows, to even yard work with it. We were moving a fence last summer and we actually used it in the winch to pull out the old fence posts because we couldn't get them out. I have actually done some damage to this thing off-road. I got stuck once and the steering stabilizer actually bent and got a hole through the middle of it. So the dealership replaced a lot of the different parts underneath, but they were going to replace the steering stabilizer with an OEM one, and I just didn't want some plain Jane OEM one that was gonna get damaged again off-roading. So I actually found one on our website. It's a Skyjacker heavy duty one, and we've off-roaded it many times since then, and it has held strong. So I started in the company roughly 10 years ago as an entry-level employee in the warehouse, and I worked my way up into the accounting department, where now some of my responsibilities include maintaining vendor profiles along with other accounting functions. So I think that it's an advantage to the customers that so many enthusiasts work within the company because we understand them. We understand their frustrations, we understand their joy when they finish a project. If I'm in the retail store shopping for myself and a customer says, oh, hey, there's an employee, I can ask them a question, I'm willing to help because I understand what they're going through.